From the Detroit Free Press, it's Thursday. Here are today's top stories, presented by Bush's Fresh Food Market. Bush's has over 4,000 Michigan products, including the freshest fruit and vegetables, meat, seafood, and baked goods. Stop by one of Bush's 16 locations for the personal service you expect from your neighborhood grocer.
This is Phoebe Wall-Howard, an automotive reporter at the Detroit Free Press. Ford Motor Company has set up a special satisfaction fund for Bronco customers that allows for maximum payments of $1,000 in an attempt to assist dealerships while helping manage the wait for Bronco customers with confirmed orders. The Dearborn automaker asked dealers and sales managers in a letter dated September 1st to create an action plan for how to use your budget to help engage Bronco customers and manage their wait. We talked to a dealer in Florida who is taking 35 Bronco customers on a 2-day adventure, including airfare and hotel costs. Another Bronco customer said he's asked a dealer to help offset the costs of a car he plans to buy while waiting for his Bronco. Go to freep.com to learn more details.
I'm Frank Witzel with the Detroit Free Press. Sergeant Savad Johnson, a veteran Detroit firefighter who died saving 2 girls while off duty, was honored last year for his sacrifice. His courage and heroism will be recognized again this Friday as part of an event memorializing the 40 passengers and crew aboard Flight 93 who died thwarting a terrorist attack. The Friends of Flight 93 National Memorial named Johnson one of 4 finalists for its inaugural Flight 93 Heroes Award. He was selected out of about 50 nominees nationwide for heroic acts in 2020. Donna Gibson, president of the Friends of Flight 93 National Memorial, said the awards highlight the bravery of 4 everyday people who in a crisis took action just like those on board Flight 93. Johnson, who was 49, was at Belle Isle on August 21st with his 10-year-old daughter when he heard witnesses say young girls were drowning. He and another person dived into the water to save them, but when Johnson didn't return, his daughter dialed 911. Divers recovered his body. The group is set to announce the winner at the memorial near Shanksville, Pennsylvania, where the jet crashed nearly 20 years ago. United Airlines Flight 93 was hijacked by 4 al-Qaeda terrorists as part of the 9/11 attacks. But passengers and flight attendants learned from phone calls terrorists had hijacked other airliners and targeted the World Trade Center in New York and the Pentagon near the nation's capital. The passengers stormed the aircraft's cockpit, preventing the terrorists from hitting their targets.
For the Detroit Free Press, I'm Kristen Shamus. More than 50 Henry Ford Health System employees have sued their employer in federal court. They hope to stop a September 10th mandate that requires all workers, volunteers, and contractors to get coronavirus vaccines or lose their jobs. The lawsuit, filed this week in U.S. District Court in Detroit, claims the mandate is unconstitutional and infringes on workers' autonomy and their right to reject medical treatments. In a statement, the Detroit-based hospital system told the Free Press it couldn't comment on pending litigation, but that, quote, "We remain confident that vaccination is the most powerful tool we all have against the COVID-19 pandemic." Henry Ford was the first hospital system in Michigan to announce in late June that it would require all of its staff to take COVID-19 vaccines. As of Wednesday, 92% of its more than 33,000 employees had gotten at least 1 dose. A motion hearing in the case is set for 3 p.m. Friday before U.S. District Judge Terrence G. Berg. To learn more, go to freep.com.
I'm Andrew Hammond with the Free Press Sports Department. On Wednesday, the Big Ten released the upcoming conference schedule for basketball season. Tom Izzo's Michigan State Spartans and Juwan Howard's Michigan Wolverine squads will see each other twice in the month of January. The first matchup will occur on January 8th in Ann Arbor. The second matchup will be January 29th in East Lansing. The Michigan Wolverines have a rough start to the conference schedule, seeing Purdue, Illinois, Maryland, along with Michigan State in the first half of January. If Michigan's first half of the conference schedule is tough, then Michigan State's second half of the conference schedule could be considered tough as well. The Spartans finish up with Illinois, Iowa, Purdue, Ohio State, and Maryland.
For more stories from the Detroit Free Press, be sure to check out freep.com. That's FREEP.com. If you're a fan and want to support our quality local journalism, subscribe. Go to freep.com/special offer.